So hi everyone, I'm Rajan Chaudhary from Manzil Institute. Today I will talk about India current affairs, nation and states MCQs. First of all, I will talk about Central Bureau of Investigation is set up under which union ministry? Ministry of External Affairs, Ministry of Home Affairs, Ministry of Defense, Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions. So the correct answer is B, Ministry of Home Affairs. Central Bureau of Investigation is a premier investigative agency set up under the Ministry of Home Affairs on April 1, 1963. Its Diamond Jubilee celebrations was recently inaugurated by Prime Minister Modi on April 3 this year. The next is which union ministry appointed the Committee on Digital Competition Law? Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Ministry of External Affairs, Ministry of Corporate Affairs. D. Ministry of Corporate Affairs. The Ministry of Corporate Affairs has appointed 10-member Committee on Digital Competition Law consisting of lawyers representing the big tech. It is set to meet shortly on discuss provisions of the draft Digital Competition Law. The committee is responsible for examining the need for an ex-ante regulatory mechanism for digital markets via a separate legislation. So the next is which state or UT has announced to set up the Education Service Selection Commission? Gujarat, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh or Odisha? So the correct answer is C, Uttar Pradesh. The UP Education Service Selection Commission will be set up by the Uttar Pradesh government for the teacher recruitment in the state. It will be responsible for conducting the UP Teachers Eligibility Test UP TET exam. Teachers in basic, secondary, higher and technical colleges in the state will be selected through the Autonomous Commission. The next is, as of 2023, a woman who adopts a child at the age below 3 months old is entitled for maternity leave of how many weeks? 8, 12, 16 or 20? So the correct answer is B, 12. The Selection 5/4 of the Maternity Benefit Act 1961 allows women who adopts a child at the age below 3 months old to be entitled for 12 weeks of maternity leave. The Supreme Court has recently agreed to hear a petition challenging this provision. The next is NMDC is exploring lithium reserves for mining in which country? Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Australia or Maldives? The correct answer is C, Australia. Indian Iron Ore Miner NMDC Limited is exploring lithium reserves about 200 km off Perth, Australia. NMDC is the majority owner of a mine located in Mt Bevan in Australia, India. Found lithium deposits for the first time in the country in February and is planning to auction a block for mining. Thank you.